Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase team collaboration with Slack detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Slack application on your device or navigate to the website. Create a new workspace by selecting Create a workspace if you don't have one yet. Invite your team members to join the workspace by entering their email addresses. Set up channels for different projects or topics to organize discussions effectively. Use channel names that are descriptive to make it easy for everyone to understand the purpose of each channel. Consider creating private channels for sensitive discussions or smaller groups. Utilize direct messaging for one-on-one conversations to reduce clutter in channels. Encourage team members to share updates, questions, and feedback within the relevant channels. Make use of Slack's file sharing features to share documents, images, and links easily. Integrate tools your team already uses, such as Google Drive or Trello, for streamlined workflows. Create reminder messages or use the Slack bot to set up automated reminders for important tasks or deadlines. Encourage the use of mentions to notify specific team members about important messages or requests. Establish guidelines for response times and communication etiquette to ensure clarity. Utilize threads within channels to keep discussions organized and avoid overwhelming members. Schedule regular check-ins or meetings through Slack's integration with Google Calendar or Zoom. Encourage the use of emoji reactions to express agreement or acknowledgement without cluttering conversations. Foster a culture of open communication by being responsive and approachable on the platform. Promote the use of status updates to inform team members of availability and focus. Regularly review and clean up channels to ensure relevant discussions are prioritized. Host training sessions to familiarize team members with Slack's features and best practices. Continuously seek feedback on Slack usage to improve collaboration further. Celebrate team achievements or milestones within Slack to build camaraderie and motivation. By following these steps, you can enhance collaboration among your team members using Slack effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.